Have you ever pondered the mysterious ways in which numbers weave themselves into the fabric of our existence? From the moment we are born, numbers silently accompany us, shaping our experiences, influencing our decisions, and unveiling profound truths about who we are. Life Path 8. A beacon of ambition and resilience. The Life Path 8 holds a mirror to our aspirations, challenges, and ultimate purpose in this intricate dance of existence. But why does understanding our life path number matter? Beyond the realm of mere numerology lies a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. By deciphering the numerical code that governs our lives, we unlock invaluable insights into our innate strengths, weaknesses, and potentials, guiding us towards a path of fulfillment and authenticity. At its core, numerology is the ancient practice of ascribing meaning to numbers and understanding their profound impact on our lives. Beyond mere digits on a page, numbers are seen as sacred symbols that carry hidden truths and cosmic vibrations, reflecting the intricate tapestry of the universe. With roots tracing back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and Babylon, numerology has stood the test of time as a timeless wisdom tradition. From the mystical teachings of Pythagoras to the esoteric practices of the Kabbalah, numerology has woven itself into the fabric of various cultures and spiritual philosophies, embodying a universal language of symbols and archetypes. Through the lens of numerology, each number is imbued with its own unique essence and significance, offering profound insights into our personality traits, life paths, and destiny. By decoding the numerical patterns that underlie our existence, numerology unveils the hidden forces at play in our lives, empowering us to navigate our journey with greater clarity and purpose. Across centuries and civilizations, numerology has served as a trusted guide for seekers of wisdom and truth, offering a timeless roadmap for self-discovery and personal growth. Today, as we stand at the threshold of a new era of awakening and transformation, the ancient wisdom of numerology continues to shine brightly as a beacon of light, illuminating the path towards greater understanding, harmony, and fulfillment. Life Path number 8. At the heart of numerology lies the concept of the life path number, considered the cornerstone of one's numerological profile. It serves as a guiding force, illuminating our life's purpose and delineating the challenges we are destined to face along our journey. Representing the essence of our being, the life path number encapsulates the blueprint of our soul's evolution and quest for fulfillment. Life Path 8 individuals embody the essence of ambition, determination, and an insatiable thirst for success. Born with a natural propensity for leadership and influence, they navigate the world with a steadfast resolve and an unwavering commitment to their goals. At their core, Life Path 8 individuals are driven by a profound sense of purpose and a deep-seated desire to leave their mark on the world. Whether in the realms of business, politics, or social change, they possess an innate ability to inspire others and catalyze transformational shifts on both personal and societal levels. Furthermore, Life Path 8 individuals exude a palpable aura of responsibility and authority, effortlessly commanding respect and admiration from those around them. They thrive in positions of power and influence, leveraging their natural charisma and strategic acumen to steer others towards success. However, amidst their towering ambition and unwavering determination, Life Path 8 individuals must navigate the inherent challenges that accompany their journey. From the pitfalls of arrogance and overbearing dominance to the temptations of greed and materialism, they are called to confront their shadow aspects and cultivate a balance between ambition and integrity. In essence, Life Path 8 individuals embody the archetype of the visionary leader, destined to forge their own path, overcome adversity, and leave an indelible legacy upon the tapestry of human history. Through their unwavering courage and resilience, they serve as beacons of inspiration and catalysts for positive change in an ever-evolving world. Life Path 8 individuals possess a constellation of traits that set them apart as formidable forces in the tapestry of humanity. These traits serve as both their greatest strengths and potential challenges, shaping their journey towards self-realization and success. 1. Practicality and organizational skills. Life Path 8 individuals are renowned for their pragmatic approach to life and their innate ability to navigate complex systems with ease. Armed with a keen sense of practicality, they excel in structuring their lives and endeavors with precision and efficiency. Their organizational prowess allows them to juggle multiple responsibilities with grace and finesse, ensuring that every aspect of their life is meticulously managed and optimized for success. 2. Financial acumen. With a natural aptitude for handling finances, Life Path 8 individuals possess an intuitive understanding of wealth creation and management. Whether in the realm of business, investments, or personal finances, they are adept at maximizing resources and capitalizing on opportunities to achieve their financial goals. Their innate sense of abundance and resourcefulness empowers them to thrive even in the most challenging economic climates. 3. Strong work ethic and confidence. At the core of their being lies an unwavering work ethic and unshakable confidence in their abilities. Driven by a relentless desire for success, Life Path 8 individuals approach every endeavor with a sense of purpose and determination. Their innate self-assurance propels them forward in the face of adversity, inspiring others with their tenacity and resilience. 4. Ability to overcome obstacles. Life Path 8 individuals possess a remarkable capacity to overcome obstacles and persevere in the pursuit of their goals. Fueled by a burning passion for achievement, they refuse to be deterred by setbacks or challenges along the way. Instead, they view obstacles as opportunities for growth and transformation, leveraging adversity as a springboard to greater heights of success. However, along with their formidable strengths, Life Path 8 individuals also face potential challenges that warrant attention and reflection. 1. Tendency towards materialism. One of the pitfalls for Life Path 8 individuals is the temptation towards materialism and a preoccupation with worldly success. While their ambition and drive can propel them to great heights of achievement, they must be mindful not to equate their worth with external markers of success, such as wealth or status. 2. Workaholism. Due to their relentless pursuit of success, Life Path 8 individuals may fall into the trap of workaholism, sacrificing their well-being and personal relationships in the relentless pursuit of their goals. It's essential for them to strike a balance between work and personal life, nurturing their physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being amidst their quest for success. By acknowledging and harnessing their innate strengths, while remaining vigilant of the potential pitfalls, Life Path 8 individuals can chart a course towards fulfillment, prosperity, and inner harmony. Life Path 8 individuals are uniquely equipped to thrive in a variety of career paths, leveraging their innate talents and strengths to make a significant impact in their chosen fields. With their unparalleled drive, ambition, and leadership abilities, they are ideally suited for roles that allow them to exercise their influence, shape their destiny, and leave a lasting legacy. 1. Entrepreneurship. Life Path 8 individuals possess a natural entrepreneurial spirit, characterized by their fearless pursuit of innovation and their ability to turn vision into reality. Whether founding their own startup or leading a business venture, they thrive in environments where they can take calculated risks, chart their own course, and cultivate a culture of success. 2. Finance and investment. With their keen financial acumen and strategic mindset, Life Path 8 individuals excel in roles within the realm of finance and investment. Whether as financial analysts, investment bankers, or wealth managers, they possess a unique ability to navigate the complexities of the financial world, capitalize on opportunities, and generate wealth. 3. Leadership roles. Life Path 8 individuals are natural-born leaders, endowed with a commanding presence and a magnetic charisma that inspires others to follow. Whether leading a team, managing a company, or spearheading a community initiative, they thrive in positions of power and influence, leveraging their visionary leadership style to effect positive change and drive meaningful impact. However, beyond the allure of prestige and success, it's essential for Life Path 8 individuals to find a career path that aligns with their values and allows them to make a positive impact on the world. While financial success may be a driving force, true fulfillment lies in pursuing endeavors that resonate with their deeper sense of purpose and contribute to the greater good. By embracing careers that align with their values, passions, and strengths, Life Path 8 individuals can harness their innate potential to create meaningful change, leaving an indelible mark on the world and embodying the highest expression of their life's purpose. In doing so, they not only achieve personal success, but also inspire others to strive for greatness and reach their fullest potential. As you embark on this journey, I invite you to explore the playlist linked below. Dive deeper into the world of numerology, uncovering the hidden wisdom and timeless truths that await discovery. May this journey lead you to a deeper understanding of yourself, empowering you to embrace your fullest potential and embark on a path of self-realization and fulfillment. Together, let us embrace the transformative power of numerology and unlock the secrets to a life lived with purpose, passion, and profound self-awareness. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.